details, good takes on the subject, send it to him. Hey, sheriff's office. Can you come over here? Come over here, man. Stop. When I gunpoint subjects on with a knife. Hey, stop. Put the knife down. You have a knife in your pocket. Put the knife down. Turn around. Put your hands behind your head. Put your hands behind your head. Stop. 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 Do not move. Do not move. Drop down to your knees. Hey, keep your hands on top of your head. Put your legs together. Cross your ankles. Cross your ankles together. Cross your ankles together. Cross your ankles together. Cross your ankles together. No. Put your hands back on top of your head. Subject's walking away. In full pursuit. Stop! Sheriff's office! Stop! Stop! I'm gonna shoot you! Fuck! Stop! 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 998!
Here's a closer look at the moment Reyes turns around and charges at Deputy Tampinko.
Stop! Stop!
When Reyes turns around, Deputy Tampinko backpedals down the passageway approximately 50 feet.
I'm gonna shoot you! Fuck! Stop! 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 998!
Here's a photo of the knife that was in Reyes' pocket when Deputy Tampinko arrived on scene. Here's a closer look at the passageway where the shooting occurred.